In order to get going on Simple K12, you first got to get logged in. So click the login button and hopefully you auto-filled. Now if you didn't auto-fill it, the username is going to be your email and the original password was the word password until you changed it. However, if you did forget your password, you can always click here and it'll give you a couple of recovery questions that you set up if you change your password. So upon signing in, you're going to get to your home screen. And the big thing about your home screen is that if you click on your name and then profile, it'll allow you to look at your transcript. And you can see right here that I've done 4.5 hours, and then it will go down and it will tell you how many credits you completed. So in essence, this is your kind of your transcript for the CEU committee, but also is tracking your hours for your individualized PD as well. To get back to the home screen, go here. Now the biggest thing with this is coming up with courses to take. And I recommend going to the catalog and then just kind of cruising around. And there's a ton of different courses within all of these, and they're all about 30 minutes per course. So a big thing is kind of getting in there and finding 5, 8, 10 courses that you want to take and then saving them. So how you do that is you'd actually go into maybe something on social media, and then maybe you are interested in right here, 10 ways to use social media to tell your story. So you click on it. It gives you a little blurb about what it is down here. But most importantly, click the button Add to My Content. And once you've got it added to your content, you can see the button now it says Remove. But if you go back to your home screen and say you cruise around and find these, if you go back to your home screen, you can now click View All My Assignments, and you'll see that there's that one I just saved. And all the check marks are the green ones that I've completed already. And you can see I've also got some other ones here that I'm still meaning to take. So, the big thing is to get in there, select the courses you want to take, click that button to mark them into your content, so the next time you come to your home screen, you can just simply click on View All My Assignments, and then you're ready to go. And then, kind of like I was telling people last night at the hot chocolate and PD, the biggest thing is finding those sessions and getting set up. And that way, if you are going to spend a half hour once a week doing one of these, it's just ready to go. So at 3:45, you click play, you watch your half hour, and you're done, and you're not spending a lot of time looking around for content. So hopefully that's a quick overview that'll get you started and answer some of your questions about Simple K12.